to all of you. Today is Sunday and I hope you are doing well amid lockdown. So I have come here to update you regarding Corona on 17th May 2020. Let's go through the cases. The cases have been surged up to 4.7 million and deaths are 3,13,263 and you can see the recovered patients are 18,12,189. And here you can see the tally of whole world. The worst hit country is USA, as you all know about it, and the cases have been surged up to 15 lakh. So it's a very grim situation and it is the worst hit country which has been reeling under the COVID-19 pandemic. And you can see the deaths are crossed 19,000. After this, Spain, Russia, UK, Brazil, these are also performing very well, you can say, because the cases are being increasing day by day. Here is our country, India, which is on 11th position. And the total cases have gone beyond 90,000 as this is very much visible by this data, and you can see 2,872 deaths have been committed till now. So these are the respective countries with their cases and deaths, and you can see our neighboring country China over here on 13th position with total number of cases are 82,947, as China is also not publishing data regarding COVID-19, so we are not sure whether there are cases in China or not. So total number of cases in India have surged up to 90,000 and that toll is 2,872 and the recovered patients are 34,224. Here we can see the tally of a country India. Maharashtra is on the top position with 30,000 cases. Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, which are the major hotspot of COVID-19 pandemic, and you can see these respective states with their number of cases and number of deaths all around. So guys, thank you so much. This was for today Corona update, and I hope you all are doing well at your homes. And stay safe and take precautionary measures as you can so that you may not reel under this COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you so much.